hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.
Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do this pretty party wear mirror earrings. So let's get started. Take a buckram paper or a thick sheet and stick a round shaped mirror over it. Now take a green stone chain and stick around the mirror. Similarly, stick a pink stone chain around it. I would like to thank Mahira Khan and Pawan Kumar for loving my previous videos. And if you do want to get featured in my next video, all you need to do is watch my videos and comment down below. Let it dry for some time and cut it out. Take green kundans and stick them over a paper. Let it dry and stick the green stone chain around it. I also glued the pink stone chain. And let's cut this out. You need to make 3 of them to make a single earring. So you need total 6 to make a pair of earrings. Take some eye pins and glue them on the back side of the kundan with Fevikwik. You can also use hot glue gun, but that will make a little bumpy on the other side and Fevicol might not hold that strongly, so I recommend Fevikwik. Arrange all of them together on the back of the earring base and stick them using the Fevikwik. Also add a hook on the top of it. This is how it looks. Add another piece of paper over the back to cover everything up. Lastly, take a gold paint or gold colored nail polish and paint all over it. That's it, you're done. They are ready to wear. They look so grand and they go perfect with traditional wear and also for parties. And this design is inspired by Dreamcatcher's design. I know it looks a little bit heavy, but trust me, it's very light in weight. And if you like this video, I did make a bunch of mirror jewelry DIYs, so do check them out. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and press that bell icon to never miss any of my updates. Until then, meet you in my next video. Happy crafting!